Have you ever done anything quite inconvenient and felt that's the best thing that happened to you later? Have you ever discovered yourself in a very discomfort zone? My friends, if you can relate to what I said just now, then this video is meant for you because I'm going to share something phenomenal that happened with me this week and I'm super glad. So why are we waiting? Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to my channel Golmage. I'm Priya and I'm really excited to see you here one more time. If you're visiting my channel for the first time and you're someone who's interested to hear inspiring ideas, groundbreaking perspectives and also some travel and home vlogs, then this channel is meant for you. Do subscribe to my channel because every single week I post new videos. Okay, that being said, now let's get to today's video. You know what? I am not a very social media person and I recently started my Instagram account and became active in Facebook, and this channel I started last October. So pretty much my social media presence is less than a year. I'm a very closed offline kind of a person, and most of you who know me personally, you know this about me. So I had this, one of the intimidating thing that in my life is how do people do live sessions? You know, when I say live, not coming in front of an audience. I'm quite used to standing in front of thousands of people and delivering classes. I'm also quite used to, running a session live with my participants, but that's like an expected crowd. You know who's going to come inside, who is there in front of you. Everybody is visible, but virtually going live, where you don't know who will come inside your classroom, what's going to happen, how basically the live things happen, I was never aware of. And in fact, genuinely, it was so jittery, so scary. But I pushed myself and I did, I'm still doing a free 4-day training series. 2 days have gone and I've been doing FB Live in my Facebook page. I must tell you, what I thought was such a discomfort thing, such a scary thing, and just to go out there, present myself live in front of people. See, initially there's always this feeling inside our head, right? What will people think? Will I do well? How will I talk in a live? And what is the setup? How do I stream my slides? Looks everything complicated. I had hundreds of things running in my head. And I was not sure whether as a person I can pull this off. But after 2 days of experience, my friends, I'm telling you, this is one of the most beautiful, memories in my life. It's going to be, because first times are always special. I hope you can understand. First time, something that you do on your own. Imagine you were learning driving, and then somebody gives you a car key and then you're going alone. There's nobody to support you in your car, but you're all alone in the traffic. That first drive, that all tension that you went through, we can never forget in our lives. Not just that, imagine first time, any first time for that matter, is quite special. My first live experience is quite special to me. But when I went through this whole experience, today again, 9 p.m. I'm going to go live in my Facebook page. And I did this at a stretch 4 days to begin with. You know why? Because if I do once, the fear will not go away. I still remember, I connect this to the Karate Kid movie. Have you seen where Jaden Smith, he gets hurt. So he will perform very well in that. If you have seen Karate Kid, it's one of, for everybody, it's just definitely a favorite movie. And in the climax scene when he's like fighting against people, he just gets hurt. One of the guys would break his leg, and then he just, he was supposed to retire from the competition. But then he tells Jackie Chan, I want to fight. And he asks, why? You were doing pretty well. Well, who do you want to prove? I don't want to prove anybody. I'm just still scared inside. I want to overcome that fear, so I want to fight. Then suddenly Jackie Chan will come, put that light thing and all on his knees, and then make Jaden Smith fight again, and finally he wins. You know why I'm saying this example, my friends? It's similarly, the reason why I kept it as 4-day free training session is, if I do once, I don't think I will overcome the fear. But if I do 4 days continuously, it's like I have to come again and again and again. And no way after 4th day I can feel that fear, that intimidating feeling that I had inside me. And telling me 2 days are gone, 2 days are more. Still, there is a little tension about all these life things. But something beautiful that happened to me is, I am in the process of overcoming the fear, and all those people who came inside the live, they got value, they were, all the responses, comments. Yesterday I was like, up until, generally I'm a late night bird. I'm always up in the night. I sleep very late in the night. So late to bed, late to rise is my mantra. I'm not part of this 5 a.m. club also. Most of you who know me personally, you know this. So I was like reading through all the comments and I felt really good. See, sometimes what we fear the most might stop us from acting. But then you take one step to overcome that fear. My friend, I'm telling you, out there, like whatever was stopping you, you're standing here, and in between whatever you want, there is this obstacle, this fear. But then you somehow push yourself, and then you go and see the other side. The other side is actually exciting, actually beautiful, actually amazing. And just because we think something and we stop ourselves from acting, we are missing something amazing and awesome. So to all those people who are watching this video, whatever it may be, right now you want to act on something in your life, and then this fear, this obstacle, or what will others think, or will I be able to pull that off? Am I good enough? There could be hundreds of questions that can run in our heads. You might be a motivational speaker motivating the world, but when you want to take one step ahead, there is this fear that will automatically come within you. There's nobody without this fear, jittery feeling. But I'm just telling you, I'm telling you, completely excited, completely fresh. I just experienced it, and this message, it's not a pre-planned message. It's just like that I'm talking to you in front of a camera. Genuinely, I'm inviting all of you. If there is one fear that's, is an obstacle in your life right now, take this video as an invite. Just go ahead and do it. Whatever, imagine you're here, whatever you desire, it's there, and in between you have this obstacle and fear, just break it down. Because we just have one life, we have to live it our way. See, last night I just put this Instagram post in my Goldmaze Academy Instagram page, and I just said this. Whatever you want to do in your life, just get it done. Because we have one life and we just get one chance. We can't miss this. And I'm telling this right from the bottom of my heart, and this message, even if hundreds of you see it, or 10 people, 5 people, I don't know how many of you will get to see this message, but if you are seeing it, my friends, with a lot of genuine intention, I'm inviting you and telling you, whatever is that you're scared about, whatever is that one step you're holding behind and not taking, try it. Try something new. It is scary. It is jittery. It's not easy. It's super inconvenient. It's uncomfortable. It's so scary. But still, do it. And once you finish it, the way you will feel good about yourself, the way you will fall in love with yourself, and that's amazing. I don't want any of you to miss it. So this video is just to tell you this. Just go ahead, try it. Whatever you have in your mind, try that. And for all those of you, if you're watching this video and you're someone who's into online coaching, or you want to learn something about coaching, training, business, you want to earn some passive income, then I'm doing a free 4-day training series right now. So if you're interested, I've given the link in the description. You can join my live session tonight. Otherwise, love you all. Thanks for listening, and I will see you soon in another video. But before that, if you like the content in this video, don't forget to click that thumbs up. I love likes, because finally you put out a work, you want to see at least one person liking it. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe, because I post new videos every single week. So subscribe to this channel, and I will see you soon with another video. Until then, take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.